But today's show, let me digest unbroken. Me, I not go English. Man, I don't mind me. So I will talk to our people, they understand with our local dialogue. So my beloved brothers and sisters, I can't come today. I can't talk concerning our brothers. We just enter Europe. We the room enter fast lane. They don't want patient. You come up for your man land. You can't say you want come the land where be say you want pick waiting God to update for you. But if you reach land, newly reached land where you don't know, where you don't get, what you go do, my people? You go put one leg ground. You go monitor the situation of that land. You go monitor the law of the land. You go first seek. What will be the first thing for a man to seek? Or as you the monitor, you go ask, what you have fitted the worker for the land, which is what permit. You first seek for your resident permit before you will begin to move on. What is true crown for where you not supposed, which I not advise you. Looking out there, I greet you. So our people will come. So if you see another, the boys, the girls, when you come, we can see some little character when they come to exhibit. Where be say this thing they don't get time for Nigeria. Come be saying now, we go see the girls they practice their house, but not today they deal on the boys. Because waiting the happen now, where be say our boys go come, they don't want their patience. They go focus, don't begin to do things where be say they destroy our image of Nigeria. If you come, before you involve into one thing or the other, you don't fair look for your document. The first of all, get your document. You come land, God may give you us. You dey come. You not patient me, you get your document. You dey come there. Now here waiting the happen, you go fight. Now here it happen. Some go be say turn to homosexual, the boys. Many. Because of money. Okay, see for camp now. Now only Nigeria you will see say they drive for camp over for Italy now. Why? Impatient. 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 Now don't come newly now. Then they carry court for it now. I can't advise you now. Because we don't go through our tradition. We they bring back image to our culture. We they bring back image to our origin. No be only Nigeria, they Europe. Now I want advice me. Make all the boys they hear. Thank you very much. So those who like me go like me. Who hate me go hate me. Because today's show, now I want to talk. Me myself, I think carry social media to the sweat. Me I be deep, like a pure traditional man. I did to all aspects. You understand? Everyone see vision, I feel see vision for you. I feel tell you many things will go come to pass for you. But I dey work with the principle. May the ancestor not kick against me. You understand? It's good to do things rightful. Do things where be say it go favor you. Princess Dopolobare, I greet you. Tijani, I greet you. So my brothers and sisters, una wey new come Europe soon. Make una stop fight for camp. Make una stop till they put hand for waiting not supposed. Okay, like wetin happen now. Maybe the boy not doing that boy from the way they hold now, Nigeria boy for Italy now. When they say they cut human being, slice am. Whether they show for Italy now for telling. Because I don't want to show am because in them my Italy, I don't want to show am because it's good say we will confirm something. We don't know. Okay, and yesterday now the Kunga come and say the boy say no be slice am. Okay, they say the boy smoke, they take drugs. You come up for your part, your man eyes. You come here, come be a drug addict. Wetin your head no go fit carry, no take am. My brothers, I beg our brothers. Now una, I want come back today. Una wey new come. Make una try. Sit down for where they put you. If na school they smell they go. Sit down, they go the school. Learn the language. Take your document before you put your 2 legs for ground. Una know say where they come from, no, it get difficult. Una see now those where they deport from Libya go Nigeria. Una see say all of them become armed robber now. Una hear wetin dey happen. If they hear say your brother will tell you of the house, they go to tip there now, but they no go tip government. So there are a lot of things where we they do. These are people we are even fighting for, but our house they go to tip now for Benin. Me, I don't know me hard. If you tip me, I use to kill you. Me, I know the your put Christian inside. I'll do it because I believe wetin they kill our people. If you talk wetin you not supposed to talk to me, I swear juju for you. If you never kill, they kill. Me, I don't do it before. I they dead, I they make people they know. Because you do things where our people like. So it's better make you do things where go favor you, where go favor me. Okay, how you come Italy? You come this land, you come here for your you can't look for your daily bread. Maybe you become somebody in life. Maybe you become useful to your family. And then you come here and I can't constitute what you're not supposed to constitute. You come turn to our boys, come here, come become Benin work bonisa. Amen. Come be saying they come be lesbian. Women come now, they come talk, men come be homosexual. Women come be lesbian. Okay, but these boys where they talk about, so now they are involved now boys issue. Now why just mostly face to them because waiting they happen so then they use and they spoil our name because at the waka yesterday they come from work. That was day for yesterday. At the close, I see the way some secretary motor follow me for back. Where I enter one by the say now. I say why embarrassed they just because waiting happen. Come bless okay, they don't pull up many mostly they take vigilance on the Nigerians. My brothers, I beg. Make we try, make we desist from this art. If you feel there's this, you go see tell your fellow brother, my brother, this thing, e no good, sit down for camp. Wait till you dey find, you go see am. You come Europe, come fight. You come Europe, come dey blow yansh. You come Europe, you wan come take fast lane. Be patient. If you patient, you will see what you dey find for Europe. No hurry. You don't know God plans for your life. You don't say God talk us after 5 years, now you become what you see make you become in life. Many people go rush, enter where not supposed don't die in jail. You take camp, sit down, put your eye down, fair look right, left, waiting go benefit me. Owolabi Edwin, Oluwatoyi, my professor, I greet you.